Good morning, everyone. And just like that, we are down to the last week of this lightning speed intercession. This is the fourth and last week of the class. Notice that many assignments are due in the next few days, and the deadlines are in the days that are not typical from the usual usual due days of the last 3 weeks. Since again, this is the last week, and technically Thursday, January the 28th, is the last day of the semester. I will send one last final announcement likely Sunday of next week. Please check the schedule found in the calendar or the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. They also appear on the Canvas calendar. Hope you're having a good weekend. In this last week of this fast-paced intercession class, there are some items I want to call to your attention. So here we go. The summary of what is due this week. Remember that the documentary review essay is due on Canvas by tonight, Sunday, January 24th, by 11:59 p.m. Please follow directions and pay attention to the required format. Remember that you have to choose from the documentaries in the list. Any deviation from this list has to be approved by me beforehand. If you do not do that, you may receive a 0 for the assignment. Make sure and provide references such as in-text citation and a bibliography as required in the guide. Remember that the bibliography does not count as one of the 4 pages minimum required for the assignment. The documentary review assignment is mandatory. It is not optional. I might have left some language in the syllabus from previous semesters when I had it as an extra credit assignment. My apologies if I have confused some of you. I have not corrected the syllabus to reflect that this assignment is mandatory. Map quiz number 5, Oceania, due Tuesday, January 26th by 11:59 p.m. This assignment has been posted already for a couple of weeks. Take a look at the map images provided. Each of the locations you are being asked to identify has a number. Match the number with the correct location in the list provided and write in the answer in the response section of the quiz. Key concept questions, chapters 13 to 16 is due Wednesday, January 27 by 11:59 p.m. Exam number 3, chapter 13 through 16 is due Thursday, January 28 by 11:59 p.m. I'll be continuing to grade your submissions in the next couple of days for this week's assignments. Next week, I will try and get the assignments submitted, graded as soon as I receive them after the deadline. There's usually a quick turnaround to submit grades after the intercession. Likely it will be Monday morning on the first day of classes for the start of spring 2020 first semester. So make sure and submit everything by the deadlines. Anyway, just as promised, this intercession is fast, but once you complete it, you have finished an entire semester worth of work. Have a nice weekend and see you online. Stay safe and healthy. Best, Samuel Cortez.